New breeding laboratories at the Philippine Sino Center for Agricultural Technology was inaugurated Friday in Muñoz City, the Philippines. Phil-S-CAT, as an important initiative aided by China, has been a platform where the Philippines and China enhance cooperation to safeguard food security.
In terms of food security, we still have a lot more to do, and the technical cooperation that we must continue to have with the People's Republic of China will be very important.
Experts from both countries have been working very close together, and we are happy to share our Chinese agricultural technology, especially hybrid rice technology, to our friends in the Philippines, so as to contribute to increasing that kind of productivity of the agriculture and rice production in this country.
Established in 2001, Phil-S-CAT was dedicated to enhancing communication and technical cooperation in agriculture.